This is the Braun Series 5. It's a little bit more simple than the others, and I think it's mostly seen in the quality of this trimmer. For example, this is plastic, whereas with the other two, this is all metal. So that's just a little bit of a difference in quality there. But I have to say, if you're just looking for like a simple trimmer to do your fades or like a buzz cut with a specific type of height, then I think this really does do the job quite well. I've tested them all for a month now on and off with different ones, and I fade my hair every week because, well, I have a pretty heavy beard growth, so I do have to do this every week. Otherwise, it would be a jungle out there. So I think this is a pretty nice one and very suitable for most. The main difference here is the quality here of the instrument itself. So you could upgrade just a bit. And I think another difference here is you get like a charging cable for this one. So you have to lie it down somewhere to charge it. And with these other two, the Series 7 and 9, you get a charging base. So I do like the charging base just because I have this on my bathroom counter. So I think if you do have that same problem, an upgrade might be nice just for that. But otherwise, I think you can get away with a lot here. Then another big difference here with the Series 5 is you get one of these shaver heads. You can easily take this one off and then put the shaver head on. And now you have a little shaver, which actually works quite well. You're not going to shave your whole face with this because it's very small, but it's a precision shaver. So it's nice that they put that in there. It's just a little plasticky here. So I don't know how long this will last, but it's definitely cool. Then when you put this, see, there you go. That's a difference in quality, I think. So I pulled the little shaver head off of there when I didn't intend to. I wanted to take this whole thing off and put it back on. So this is like the trimmer that you can put on. Now they all work the same. They have this little changing system, this little dial, and you could put a guard on there and then increase the height of the guard with that. So you can get very granular with your fades. And they all have this, so you don't have to upgrade just for that system. The Series 9, every attachment you get has like the same quality. You have this little trimmer, precision trimmer, which is the same quality as the main thing here. And then you get extra contour here with a larger head that you don't get with the others. So the overall quality on this is better. Series 9, it's the only one that you get this lock button with. And I think that's also pretty cool. So you can move the dial here to change the height of your guard, so you can get very granular. And then once you push this lock button, it's locked into place. So you can't move it up or down anymore. So this is great for when you're holding it and you want to make sure that you do not accidentally touch the button. But it's also great if you really don't want to do any fades. You just have one setting that you really like for like your buzz cut. You set that on this thing, put the lock on, and then you'll have that on there forever. So when you put this in a drawer, it doesn't accidentally move the needle here, and then you have to figure out what your favorite setting is again. So if you just want to use it for that, I think this lock button is a very great addition that you only get with the Series 9 here and not with the Series 7. The charging base of the Series 9 looks a little bit different with like a metal outer ring here. You also get that guard, but also a larger one from 5 to 9. So you get two of the different of these for left or right. So you can do like a 1 to 5 fade or 5 to 9. So you have